Good morning, students. Today we will do the exercise 9.4. Which exercise we will do today? 9.4. In this exercise, we will study how estimating length. How estimating length. What do you mean by estimating? See, estimating क्या होता है बेटा? Estimating means कि अज़म करना किसी भी उसके बारे में, लेंथ के बारे में, नियरेस्ट या जो आप राउंड ऑफ टॉपिक्स किया है हमने, that is similar to this estimating length. So in this also we will round off the number to the meter and to the kilometer, right? In this also we will round off and estimate the given length. Now let's start with this, and in today's class we will do this exercise plus the worksheets question, that is after this chapter. Now estimating length means same, you have to round off. Let's start with the first question, that is round off to nearest meter. Nearest meter. A part of this is 32 meter 36 centimeter, that is equals to meter. We have to round off to nearest meter. Now by this, simply in 1 meter equals to how many centimeter? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, right? If the number is 100, so we will compare with 50. हम किसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे? 50 के साथ, क्योंकि राउंड ऑफ में हमने क्या किया था बेटा? राउंड ऑफ में हमने राउंड ऑफ किया था प्लेस वैल्यू के चार्ट के बिहाफ पे, राइट, एंड कंपेयर विद 5. But now here we have to round off to meter and centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So we will compare it with 50. Now centimeter के प्लेस पे क्या है आपकी वैल्यू? 36. So जो 36 है that is less than 50, right? This 36 is less than 50. So we will not do any change, and nearest meter of this is 32 meter. 32 meter. See, if it is greater than 50, then I will change here, but now the number is less than 50, so the number will remain the same, which is 32 meter, right? Now B part, 64 meter 89 centimeter equals to dash meter. Again we have to round off to nearest meter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Again we will compare it with 50. Sorry, here I use wrong symbol. This will be like this. 50. Now 89 is greater than 50. 89 जो है वो greater है 50 से. So we will add 1 to this. 64 plus 1, that is equals to 65. So 64 meter 89 centimeter equals to 65 meter in nearest meter. अगर आप इसको नियरेस्ट मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दिस विल बी 65 मीटर, राइट? नाउ सी पार्ट. In C part, 73 kilometer. Now see, this you have to convert into kilometer, sorry. 73 kilometer 963 meter equals to dash kilometer. Now we have to round off this into kilometer. So how you will do, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, right beta? So now by this 1000 meter you will compare it with 500. नाउ जो मीटर में आपकी डिजिट गिवन है हम उसको कंपेयर करेंगे 500 से. सो 500 एंड 963 विच वन इज ग्रेटर? 963. सो अगर आपका 963 ग्रेटर है इट मीन्स वी विल ऐड 1 टू दिस. 73 प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 74 किलोमीटर, राइट. सी अगर यहाँ पे मीटर सेंटीमीटर होता तो हम 50 के साथ कंपेयर करते, एंड किलोमीटर एंड मीटर है तो वी विल कंपेयर इट विथ 500, राइट. नाउ सेम लाइक दिस डी पार्ट दैट इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर टू दिस. 647 किलोमीटर and 365 meter. Compare with and convert into kilometer. Now we have to round off to kilometer. So again we know 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, right. Now we will compare it with 500. 500 and 365. Which one is greater? 500. So this will remain the same and answer is 647 किलोमीटर. आंसर क्या आएगा आपका? 647 किलोमीटर, राइट. सो दिस इज अबाउट द राउंड ऑफ. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज, एस्टिमेट द फॉलोइंग by rounding to nearest meter. Now in A part, two numbers are given to you and you have to add that numbers. It will be this 72 meter 54 centimeter plus 74 meter 89 centimeter. Right, we have to estimate the following by rounding off to nearest meter. मीन्स कि फर्स्टली आपको क्या करना है, इनको नियरेस्ट मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो वी विल राइट 1 by 1 इक्वल्स टू, वी नो व्हेन वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट मीटर, आप जब भी राउंड ऑफ करेंगे नियरेस्ट मीटर में, सो वी विल कन्वर्ट इट विद, कंपेयर विद इट 50 and 54. This is greater. So 72 plus 1 that is equals to 73 meter. Right. Next number is 74 meter 89 centimeter. Again इसको भी कंपेयर करो किसके साथ? 50 के साथ. So 50 and 89. Which one is greater? 89. So again we will add 1. 74 plus 1 that is 75 meter, right. Now we have to estimate. So estimated sum, estimated means यहाँ पे हमने इनको भी राउंड ऑफ किया है, इनको भी हमने क्या किया है? एस्टिमेट किया है. So estimated sum means sum of two estimated number, that is 73 meter plus 75 meter. So now 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 7 14, that is 148 meter. So clear A part, estimated sum of this number is 148 meter. Now same like this B part. In B part we have to find the difference. In B part we have to find the difference. 852 meter 25 centimeter minus 442 meter 44 centimeter. Now we have to estimate the difference. So now we will round off these number. 52 meter 25 centimeter. We will compare it with 50. So 50 and 25. Which one is greater? 50 greater है, so आपका नंबर क्या रहेगा? सेम 852 मीटर, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज 442 मीटर 44 centimeter. So now same for this 44, we will compare it with 50. 50 and 44, which one is greater? 50 again, so the number will remain the same 442 meter. Now we have to subtract, so we will find the estimated difference. And difference find out करना, it means what we have to do, we have to subtract 852 meter minus 442 meter. Now we will subtract 852 meter 442 meter. 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 4 1, 8 minus 4 4, that is 410 meter, right. So estimated difference of this number is 410 meter. So it is clear how we have to round off. If मीटर सेंटीमीटर you have to round off to मीटर. अगर मीटर सेंटीमीटर को आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है मीटर में, so you will compare it with 50, right. किसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे आप? 50 के साथ. If number is greater than 50, so we will add 1. If less than 50, the number will remain the same. Clear my point? Now third question, estimate the following by rounding off to nearest kilometer. Now we will estimate the number to the nearest kilometer, that is A part 103 kilometer 294 meter plus 123 kilometer 846 meter, right. So firstly we will round off 103 kilometer 294 meter. Now meter kilometer you have to round off to kilometer, so we will compare it with 500. You know why I compared with 550? Because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter और 100 का हाफ कितना होता है बेटा? 50. Same like that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and half of 1000 is 500. So out of this which one is greater? 500. It means number will remain the same, 103 kilometer. Now next 123 kilometer 846 meter. 846 compare again with 500. Which one is greater, 500 or 846? 846. Now if it is greater, what we do? 123 plus 1 means 124 kilometer, right. Now add करना है. It means what we will find? We will find the estimated sum, that is 103 kilometer plus 124 kilometer. Unit will be same. 3 plus 4 7, 2 1 plus 1 2, which is 227 kilometer. Right, estimated sum is 227 kilometer. Now in the B part of this you have to find the estimated difference. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? डिफरेंस. वी हैव टू subtract the number. B part 923 kilometer 751 meter minus 238 kilometer 242 meter. See, their meter is not written in your book. You will write. Now again, firstly हम क्या करेंगे? राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. 923 किलोमीटर 751 मीटर. राउंड ऑफ इट. सी किलोमीटर में राउंड ऑफ करना है, सो वी विल कंपेयर इट विथ 500. आउट ऑफ 500 and 751, greater is 751. So 923 plus 1, that is 924 kilometer. Now 238 kilometer and 242 meter. अगेन किसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे हम? 500 के साथ. 500 and 242. 500 ग्रेटर है तो 238 किलोमीटर विल बी सेम. अगर 500 से ग्रेटर होता तो वी विल ऐड 1, बट इट इज़ लेस देन 500, सो द नंबर विल रिमेन द सेम. सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सब्ट्रैक्ट मीन्स क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? वी हैव टू फाइंड एस्टिमेटेड डिफरेंस. Estimated difference, that is 924 kilometer minus 238 kilometer. Right, now let's subtract 924 and 238. See, 4 minus 8 डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. We will take one carry. 14 minus 8 6, this become 1. It gives carry to this. Now again ये 8 हो जाएगा. It gives carry to this. 11 minus 3 8. 8 minus 2 6. So answer is 686 kilometer. Right, this is your exercise 9.4, which is estimating the length. Right, all questions are clear. Now in today's class, that is how you have to estimate the length. Once again, if the length is given to you in meter and centimeter and you have to round off to meter. इफ़ लेंथ जो है आपको वो मीटर सेंटीमीटर में गिवन है एंड यू हैव टू राउंड ऑफ टू मीटर, सो यू विल कंपेयर विद 50. कंपेयर विद 50. राइट, नाउ इफ किलोमीटर एंड मीटर एंड you have to round off to kilometer, then there you will compare with 500. Right, reason in this 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, so half of 100 50. Right, so that's why in meter and centimeter when we have to round off to nearest meter, there we will compare with 50. Next, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and half of 1000, 500. So whenever you have to round off to kilometer and meter to kilometer, there you will compare a number with 500. I hope it is clear to everyone why you are comparing with 50 and 500. Right? Now, next one. Now, let we will solve the worksheet. In the worksheet, the first question is convert 13 meter 43 centimeter into centimeter. Now we have to convert meter centimeter to centimeter, right? So 13 multiply with 100 plus 43 centimeter. Why I add it here? मैंने इनको ऐड इसीलिए किया बेटा क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. एंड व्हेन यू कांट राइट लाइक दिस 1300 सेंटीमीटर 43 सेंटीमीटर, नो, सेम यूनिट्स को आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते. दैट्स वाई आई एड इट हेयर एंड इट बिकम्स 1300 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 43. सो इट इज इक्वल्स टू 1343 centimeter, right? So 13 meter 43 centimeter equals to 1343 centimeter. Now next, second question, that is 6214 centimeter. Now you have to convert to meter and centimeter. So we know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, right? Or you can write it opposite, that is 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter, right? So 6214 centimeter equals to 6214 by 100. So downside, how many zeros? 2. So how many digits we will leave? 2. That is 62.14 kilometer. Sorry, 14 meter. Because meter में convert करना है हमें. So this after decimal जो भी part है आपका वो क्या हो गया? सेंटीमीटर. And before decimal part is meter. So 62 meter 14 centimeter. Right? Answer is 62 meter 14 centimeter. Same like this, 13th question. Question number 3rd. That is 13 kilometer 521 meter into meters. 13 kilometer 521 meter. Round off into, convert into meter. So kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 plus 521 meter. 13 multiply with 1000. 13,000 plus 521 meter. So answer is 13,521 meter. Right? You have to just simply multiply with 1000 or 100. Reason 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Right. Now come to question number 4. That is convert 62,417 meter into kilometer and meter. So 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer, right? So 62,417 meter equals to, or first of all you will find about 1 meter. 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer, and 62,417 meter equals to 62,417 by 1000. Again, how many zeros? 3. So 62.417 kilometer. Again convert into kilometer and meter. So जो डेसिमल पार्ट है वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? आपका मीटर में. एंड दिस होल पार्ट विल बी इनटू किलोमीटर. सो आंसर इज 62 kilometer 417 meter. Right? Clear? Now question number 5. We have to add. In question number 5, what you have to do? You have to add the number. That is 215 meter 68 centimeter to 225 meter 53 centimeter. Right? So we will add. When you are adding these two numbers, you have to arrange them properly. 215 meter 68 centimeter. When you are doing these type of sums, you have to remember how you have to arrange. So these meter digits will become under meter. 225 and 53 centimeter plus 8 plus 3 11, 1 goes carry. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 1 12, 2 will come here and 1 will be carry here. Meter. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 1 11, again 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, and 2 plus 2 4. So it is equals to 441 meter 21 centimeter. Right? Now same sixth part, in that you have to subtract. Sixth part, what you have to do? You have to subtract 34 kilometer and 274 meter from 93 kilometer and 284 meter. Right? Means from means this will come first. Again same digits under this. 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 7 1, 2 minus 2 0. Here will come kilometer. 3 minus 4 can't subtract, तो ये आपका 8 हो जाएगा, and this will give carry to this, and this become 13. 13 minus 4 9, 8 minus 3 5 will come here. Answer is 59 kilometer and 10 meter. Right? Now come to question number 7, which is you have to multiply. Now next question is of multiply. That is question number 7. 19 meter 35 centimeter. Multiply with 15. So now same procedure, forget about the units, just simply multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5 here and 2 become carry. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, 7 will be here and 1 will be carry. 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 1 46, 6 will be here and 4 will be carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. Multiply. Now when you multiply any number with 1, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1, plus 5 7 plus 5 12, 2 will be here, 1 goes carry. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, again 1 become carry. 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 1 19, again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2, that is 29025. Now we have to write the units. So how you will write them as the units? We know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 2 zeros means centimeter mein how many numbers come? 2. So this 25 is centimeter and rest number will be in meter. Clear about this? Now next question from 8 to 18 we will do in the next class.